Hey everybody, my name is Johnny, I'm an accountant and this is my new channel. Over the course of my professional career, I've been very lucky to work with awesome people at several financial institutions, including banks. And even though most of my life is linked directly to the financial world, since recently I began noticing that no matter how fast I get promoted or how much money I earn, the money I make is never sufficient for that period. At that point, I realized that I'm not very good with money. You might probably find yourself in a similar situation as well, when you live paycheck to paycheck and at the end of the month you still have nothing tangible. So the question was, how to stop my earnings slip through my fingers, and is that really impossible to achieve financial freedom? Thus, I started digging into the topics of personal finance management, budgeting, making capital, and investing. But the problem was that although I read several books, watched tons of videos, and did endless hours of internet research, I couldn't find any direct, precise, and golden guideline of how to finally become financially free. I couldn't find methods and tips that I could apply to myself. And the reason why we usually can't do that is because a success story of one person cannot be copy-pasted to the story of another due to the geographical, demographical, and time differences. So what's worked very successfully in 2000s cannot be applied in 2020. In some cases, it's just inapplicable. So I've created this channel as a platform, as a bridge to share my findings, results, methods, and ways that work today, that work for me, and that could work for you as well. I'll be sharing the practice of what I preach and make videos on those ways that produce result. I do hope that this way I can provide you with some value and we'll be able to achieve financial freedom. I'm really glad that you're here, and speaking about the personal finance, please share below your thoughts. I would love to hear about your opinion, and if you ever find yourself in situations like this, how you deal with it and what strategies do you usually use to overcome something like this. Thank you guys for watching, and if you could subscribe, I know that you're on board with me on my journey, and I'll see you soon.